Alright guys, welcome to part 2 of the console application. Our last one got cut short. Where it ended was we were typing right line, you have logged in. So basically we wanted to say that whenever the user enters the right pass, it's going to clear all the other info and it's going to say you have logged in. If it does not enter the right pass, it's going to go to password. And we've made this little password tag here that's going to re-output enter your password. So it's going to go to password if it's not entered correctly. So I'll just show you how that works. So we know the username is admin, and it says ask for our password. And if we enter the wrong thing, it's not going to work. But if we enter it right, you see it says you have logged in. Alright, so now that it's done that, I'm going to add some more stuff to this. So we've basically done the login part of it. After this, I actually wanted to say I want a right line, and I'm gonna want to say welcome back, and then plus user. So now it's going to be like admin, and we're going to enter our password, and it says welcome back admin, you have logged in. So now what I want to do, and just to mess around with some colors, I'll show you guys something real fast. If you type in foreground color equals, pick any color you want. I usually do green. You'll see, I'll show you what this does. Admin, log in, and you'll see my font is now green, and when I type it'll be green. If you don't want to type in green, which I usually don't like to, after it says all this, you can have it go back to foreground color equal, and then the normal color would be gray. So we just see this work, and we type in gray. Alright, one thing I didn't add in the beginning was how to change the title of everything. So up here, right under main, it doesn't have to be there either, it can be anywhere you want, but I usually just put it up here, just type title equals, and put it in double quotations what you want it to be. So I want it to say login. So now when I start this up, you'll notice it says login up here. Excuse me. But we can always change that to do something else. So the title's gonna be login, but when I've logged in, I want the title to be different. So I want the title whenever I log in to change to welcome, here we go, like that, and then I want to plus the user's name. Alright, well, since we know it's admin, we're going to have to add it ourselves. So then I'll show you what that looks like. Just enter your username, admin, and you'll see it still says login up there. Watch what happens when I type in my password. Welcome admin. And then obviously there's no coding after that. So that is your basic input. Now one thing I didn't really go over earlier let me just put a space between this so I can go over it. Dimming your user and pass as strings. If I ever wanted to change this earlier, if I wanted to change my password, usually I'd have to go find the password, then change it right here, go find this, change it right here. Right here, it's all right here, and I can just change it. So if I want my new password to be tut, or my new username, my bad, and my login to be YouTube, it's that easy just to change that kind of stuff right there. So now you see when we type admin, that's not correct anymore. Admin doesn't work. It's tut, and you'll notice login doesn't work anymore. So our new password is YouTube. And obviously we didn't use our user for our title, so it's gonna look like that. But so that works and all. So now after this, after that read line at the very end is all the coding that's gonna go in after your login. So after it said you have logged in, this is everything that you want to happen after. And while you're coding, I just want everybody to remember that when the system reads this, it reads coding from top to bottom. It can't just go top, bottom, then middle. I mean, it goes from top to bottom. So I want my user to be able to change their the title whenever they want. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in a code so they can do that. So I'm gonna put in the right line so there's a space. Then we're gonna put right line, type a new title. So then for this we're gonna put read line equals read line, or no, title equals read line, my bad. Title equals read line, and then we're going to put a read line here. No promises that that'll work. Password is YouTube. You have logged in, push enter, type a new title, hello, and you'll see I have changed the title. So that's just some other coding you guys can learn. I'll probably make some more tutorials on this later on, but this is just a basic login. Just remember that from this read line up is the whole thing you need for your login, and you can add different things to this, like if the user doesn't get like the password right, on the else you can put right here inside the else you can put foreground, and you can make the color equal red, so every time they misuse the password it's going to come up red. Oh, put that in the wrong spot. So you'll see if I enter it wrong. Oh, messed that up, my bad. Needs to be password. Let's see what we messed up here. Enter your password. Alright, here's what it needs to be. It needs to be foreground color first. And then go to password. Sorry about that. Now it should work. So you see we put in our user.
we type our password wrong, it comes up red until we type it in right. Alright, so thank you guys. This is another tutorial from Easy Mods, and I'll catch you guys later.